Well, we're at the duck ponds, and the train goes by about every 5 or 10 minutes, so nice to see everybody having a lot of fun. There's a good crowd out here today. Looks like mostly mallards here today, although I did see a few wood ducks over on the far shore. Here comes the train. I think it's about time to leave and go over to the zoo.
You better watch out. You better not cry. Better not talk. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Well, there they are. My two friends, the Egyptian geese. They weren't down at the pond with the rest of the ducks, and I was very disappointed, but they're right here outside of the zoo. They're such nice birds. These geese aren't afraid of anything. I'm right up close to them. I hope they show up as beautiful in these pictures as they are in person. They're just great looking birds.